Okay, right now the next option it's going to be available for us, and it's build child model. I'm going to go to these options from workflow. Again, in the new tab, I'm going to explain all these parameters that you can see here. I'm going to start with source data, and we have different options such as dense maps, dense cloud, and mesh. But the first question is that what is build tiled model is doing? Build tiled models create a 3D models that is divided into small tiles that we are calling it as chunks. It's optimizes for very large datasets and designed for small online visualization. As I said before, the first parameter is source data, determine where geometry is built from. Again, we have different options: dense cloud, depth maps, and maps. The most common is, and also it's recommended, is dense cloud. However, if you use depth maps, it's going to be faster and modern workflow. I'm going to use the dense cloud as it's recommended here. The next one is pixel size. As you can see here, I'm going to leave it in default. However, we have a tile size here, as you can see. A brief information about the pixel size: it's controlling model resolutions, and the smaller pixel size can lead to the higher details, and larger pixel size can lead to the faster and lighter models. If you are interested, you can decrease or increase this pixel size. However, I'm going to leave it in default. The tile size, we have different options. It's defining how big each tile is. Common values are 256 and etc. Again, smaller tile size can lead to the more tiles and better streaming performance. It's recommended to use 512. It's a good balance, and I'm gonna use 256 in order to decrease the time of processing. However, we have here different options based on your target, based on your purposes. You can use one of them. Face count per megapixel, as you can see here, it's defining how many triangular faces, it means polygon here, will be created per megapixel of image data. Again, higher value, more triangles and more details, and lower one, it's gonna be the fewer triangles and lighter models. Depends on, again, your purposes. You can choose one of them. However, I'm going to use the low one since I'm going to decrease the time of processing. From the advanced part, again, we have enabling ghosting filter that I explained it before. I'm gonna keep it on, and as you can see, the other options are not available for me. I'm gonna go to the OK parts, and I can click on OK. It's asking me, please save your project. Okay, I have to do this. From file, you can save your project in a folder or in your desktop. UAV, I'm gonna name it and save. Then I'm gonna back to this build child model, and right now I can click on OK. It's gonna take a while in order to build child model, and I'm gonna wait a little.